Good evening, guys. Today I am going to show you how to make a guava smoothie. Okay, so in my picture here, I have my ice and 1.5 cup of fresh coconut water in my picture here, and in my dish here, I have some guava that I cut up. I cut into quarters. And I also have a piece of ginger that I'm going to be putting into my smoothie. Also, I am going to be putting some honey into my smoothie. Okay, and some lemon juice, which I already squeezed 1 whole lemon into my pitcher here. So in my pitcher here, I have coconut water, 1 cup of ice, 1 squeeze of a lemon juice, and I have a piece of ginger and 5 small guava. So I'm going to be adding it into my pitcher here. And into my pitcher, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. And now I am going to go ahead and I am going to put my lid on, and I'm going to go ahead and blend this. Okay, and into my pitcher here, which my smoothie is completely made up, I am going to go ahead and I am going to pour it into my glass. And there you have it, guys, my delicious guava. So guava have a lot of health benefits, and some of the health benefits that I read up on about guava, it's very good for the immune booster of the system. It lower the risk of cancer. It is very diabetic friendly. Also, it's good for the heart. It treats constipation. It improves your eyesight. Guava during pregnancy is very good. You can eat guava through your pregnancy. It is good for toothache. It's good for stress. Guava is good for the brain, for weight loss, for cold and cough. These are just a few that I know of that I read upon. It's good for anti-aging, improve the complexion of your skin. It improves the texture of your skin, so go ahead and read up a lot about guava. There's so many health benefits of guava. So go ahead and read up on it. I'm going to list a few in the description. You could go ahead and check that out. Okay, guys? There you have it, my delicious guava smoothie. There you have it, guys. So it's coconut water, 1 lemon, 1 squeeze of a lemon juice, 1 cup of ice, and 4 to 5 guavas, 1 little piece of ginger, and some honey, guys. And there you have it, a delicious guava smoothie. There you have it, guys, a delicious guava smoothie. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you do, kindly give it a thumbs up. Kindly share with all your friends, family, co-worker.